Izakhamuzi zigxeka idolobha laseGoli ngezinsono zokungaphathwa kahle kwemali nokuholela ekubambezelekeni kohlelo lokwakhiwa kwebhuloho okwakufanele liphothulwe ezinyangeni ezisihlanu ngo-2021.
The problem is the municipality. Le benza ama-project bangena i-budget. Ama-main contract and subcontracts will be working, and then there's a kunama terms and condition. But i-main company kumele isebenze at least 3 months ngemali yabo. Then after that money is finished, bona bamele imali ama-invoice like buya kumasipala. So up to so far, that's where the problem starts with the nomasipala wethu.
Izakhamuzi zithi leli bhuloho linomthelela ebugebengwini obenzeka kule ndawo njengoba izigebengu zilisebenzisa njengendawo yokucasha ukuhlasela abasuke bedlula kulo.
On a daily basis abantu bethu bayabulalwa lapha, abantwana basebaye emsebenzini abakho safe lana. Abantu bethu i-community mayivuka ekuseni ihamba emsebenzini because lapha yana kuleli bridge ngalikalo i-taxi rank lapha yana, so abantu bethu in the morning bayavuka bayakhona lapha yana, so bayastruggleisha because bathathelwa imali abangonkunzi babathathela into zabo.
Isiphathimandla zedolobha zithi uhlelo lokwakhiwa kwaleli bhuloho luzophothulwa ngoZibandlela kulonyaka.
There was the issue of the license, the WULA license, that was outstanding there, which then stopped us, as well as the issue of payments of subcontractors in the area, which was actually fixed eventually. Currently, the contractor is on site. We have been monitoring that particular project.
Izakhamuzi zinxuse iziphathimandla zedolobha ukuthi zivakashele kuleli bhuloho ukuze zibone isimo ezihlala ngaphansi kwaso nsuku zonke.